Today, I want to talk about AI video creation for education and how AI can actually help you build great things with less work. My name is Vitalii. I'm co-founder at Eli and head of AI product strategy at Panopto. If you've never heard about Eli is an AI video generation platform that helps people create educational video content in minutes without using camera, studio, or a green screen. Eli was recently acquired by Panopto, world-leading video management system. Also, please meet Deborah, one of our colleagues. So I think all of us can relate to this challenge. Students nowadays demand high-quality, short-term video content that keep them engaged. This is a new must-have. And who's creating this content? It can be you, maybe faculty member, maybe instructional designer. Also, we need to keep engaged people outside of the campus. Alumni, teachers, prospective students, parents. And guess what? They're expecting high quality, exclusive, brand first content too. Again, who's creating this content? Maybe you have some video editing skills. Maybe you have a video production team on a campus, but probably not. Reality is that most of us don't have professional video production team on the campus. And the result is that we don't produce a lot of great video content. And if we produce something, it could be quite low quality. That's why we created this AI video generation tool that helps people create educational interactive video content in minutes just from text. Using just software, you're able to generate hundreds of videos without camera, studio, or a green screen. Also, with Eli, you're able to create your custom avatar, clone your voice, and create personalized videos at scale in 75 languages. And the workflow is quite simple. You just upload some of your training materials. It could be PDF or PPT file, or just lecture notes. Choose a template, add some visuals, some slides, add animation, then click generate, and you'll receive complete professional video. Also, we support interactive elements and quizzes, so now you can make your video more engaging and interactive. Okay, some of you might ask, okay, so how this video actually performs specifically for higher education? And according to this MIT study, high-quality education videos lead to a 32 increase in learning retention. Additionally, engaging videos boost website conversion to enrolled students by 34%. Alumni watching university videos are actually 2x more likely to donate, which is great. So the biggest thing what AI brings to the table, it's actually save you time and money. With tools such like Eli, you're able to save up to 75% in cost compared to traditional video creation tools. And the great thing that the results that are brought by AI videos actually comparable to the one that you can get from just regular video, according to this UCL study. Today, hundreds of universities and customers around the globe create videos with AI on a daily basis. And now, demo time. Let's see how it works.
Welcome to Eli. You can start with an avatar or upload a PowerPoint presentation or PDF. I'll choose this from presentation option so we can upload a file type familiar to all of us. Let's select it and click Create Video. As you can see, Eli imported all the slide content, the subheader, and the presentation notes as speech text that will be spoken by an avatar. Now we are ready to convert our outline and text to slides. Our presentation is now in Eli's easy-to-use editor. Let's change the font color of the subtitle on the first slide. I'm going to choose this red to make it stand out. We can also choose an avatar. Let's select the default avatar to get started. I'd like to choose the most handsome Eli avatar. Who would that be? It's me. I'll apply Dylan to all the slides. Now I want to focus on interactivity and viewer engagement. Let's duplicate this slide so we can add an interactive quiz. After duplicating the slide, click on Interactivity and choose a question type. This question type looks perfect. Let's ask our viewers what is the best length for a microlearning video. I can add answers in a branching interaction scenario. For example, we might want to direct the incorrect responses from viewers to the slide. This way they can review the material again. Here I can select stock art and generate a custom AI image. I'll ask for a trophy with a thumbs up engraved on it. I'll select my style and let's see what we get. Bam, we have a thumbs up trophy. I'll resize and move it to the right place on my slide. Now it's time to render. Just click on render and make your selections. You can choose navigation and subtitle options in your preferred resolution. Let's choose 4K and render the video. Let's view the video in full screen mode. As you can see, my PowerPoint presentation is now a high-quality, interactive video. We can test our branching scenario now. All right, I'm going to say a 4-minute video would be the best length for a microlearning video. After I choose my answer, I'll click on the Submit button. Looks like I answered correctly, and I am progressing through the video. There are also options for downloading and exporting to Panopto, plus there are various public and private web sharing options. Okay, I saved the best for last. Do you know I can translate the text on screen and the speech text into 75 languages? After selecting Translate Video, I can choose a language. I'll choose Japanese to personalize this for my Japanese students. Let's click Translate and see what happens. I hope this works. Bam! Every single editable text object is translated. Let's watch and listen to the video.
ようこそ。今日はマイクロラーニングとショートフォームビデオの世界へのエキサイティングな旅に出かけます。
Yeah, I think it's it. So as you could see, it was quite simple. You just in a couple of minutes can create this type of content, add your avatar. It could be custom avatar as well, translate it, click generate and receive high quality video. That's it. Thank you guys.